Welcome back, bitches. So, what was I gonna say? Oh, I got new stickers. If anyone wants to buy some, $10 a pop. I already blessed my boy Clayton with one. Oh shit. I got that cool tape I was talking about. See, it's not even focusing. But now I'm gonna start to work on the harness. Tape this all up. And this little one over here. It's gonna look a lot better, right, Clayton?
Oh, absolutely.
Way better.
Much more better. You know.
Much more better.
Black soda with the white ice.
So let's do that. I got this one all set. Definitely looks a lot better.
Looks like shit.
Fuck you. Now I'm gonna do this one. This one's even more fun. I don't feel like doing a time lapse, so we're just gonna do this. It's all done now. Oh shit. Looks a lot better than it did before. I got all that shit done. These little ones. Probably gonna disconnect these and just do these over here so it looks nice. Pitch boy's back.
Hey! Welcome to my channel.
Yo, who's that shorty behind you, bro?
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
Oh shit. Now I think we're gonna work on this POS. Look at this shit though. Nice. That is nice right there, dude. Look at that. Yep. So I think we're gonna do what we're gonna do. Red stuff frame bushings. And
Play with the front end.
what the fuck else were we gonna do? Red stuff frame bushings.
Reinforcement.
And the reinforcements. Oh shit. So those are the bushings right now.
Yep.
It's a little rusty.
Oh, rusty.
Where's the other one?
It's in TLC.
I can't see the other. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, the bushings are definitely not. They've seen better days.
Absolutely. Those are gonna be fun to take out.
Oh yeah, baby.
Gang shit, bro.
So we're not doing the rear slot frame today, but we swapped out some fucking max speeder rods. What's the bad one? This one's pretty bad. That is no bueno. And this one doesn't turn. I'm gonna put some trusty Racelands in there. Oh, I can't even see anything.
For now.
Now we're gonna go take it for a beat run. Right, Clayton?
Absolutely. Up we go.
Open diff.
What's up?
Bitch boy's back.
Yeah, I'm back. I need a haircut. I look homeless, and on top of it, I'm gonna work on my car today. Probably gonna take me 6 hours, but
Picked up some of these bad boys. I don't know. Wow, look at that. Oh shit.
wish they sponsored me because now I'm poor. But yeah.
Pizza boy. Let's go, guy. Get to it.
I'm on my phone. Just take 2 minutes, guy. Hey there. Bet you're wondering what I'm doing. I don't know. Oh, fuck yeah. That's how you uninstall coilovers. Kinda. Hey, chill. Let me do the top.
Got it.
Let me undo the top.
Let's go, guy.
Open the trunk. Oh, wait. Now you can't even do
I
that.
love this
timing.
chalkboard, dude.
How much is this?
It's a big old chalkboard.
Now we
Oh!
can't even-
Life size.
You guys did it.
Life size.
Take that off soon. Stop. Stop. You're doing too much. Hey, why you gotta show them that? Why you gotta... Come on,
How come I can
guy.
see through your car,
Come on,
bro?
mind your business. Weight
Dude.
reduction. Yo, come.
What the fuck
They didn't have to
is
say that,
that?
alright? You got the car for a deal for a reason, anyways. Where the fuck are the top hats?
Oh my god.
Where the fuck do I go to remove them?
I'm gonna let you figure this out.
Holy shit, is it like this? Wait, oh, I gotta go on the inside to remove this. Right? Yeah. I think, yeah, there, it's alright.
You're so smart.
Alright, well, we didn't even count. I'm all fucking retarded. Wow! Break my fucking glass. Uh-huh. Wait, what?
Dude, it's literally 2 bolts. Can you hurry up?
No, I don't know about cars. I just bought this last week. The fuck?
That was a 12.
You recording?
Let's go in a nice little.
No.
Look at this fucking toolbox.
Don't disrespect me.
Oh my
I
god.
got tools over here.
Dude, you have no sockets.
That's not mine. That's mine. So look.
This is yours.
I just bought these.
Oh wow, big baller, dude. Big
If
baller.
I can work on cars, you can work on cars. All right. All right. Where's my Milwaukee? Yeah. Thanks for the battery. Anyways.
I think it's a 12.
Huh? I didn't do that. Mind your business.
Wow, look at all those, dude. Brand new. Is that 12?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Wow, I'm so fucking smart, dude.
It's a Nissan. Be quiet.
You know how to work that thing?
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Where is it? Ah, it's bright. Who's here?
I don't know. Keep going. Take 2.
On this episode, on what is fucked up? This
That's
is fucked
fucked
up. That's fucked up. And JT's fucked
That's
up.
fucked up.
What up?
What up?
Alright, you're taking too long. I'm running out of storage again. Oh shit! One's gone. One at a time.
Same key.
Shit. JT, what the fuck is that? Let's go find that key. I think this will work. Oh yeah, dude. Fucking tits. Oops. Number 2. So we got the rears in there. Way better than these. Now he's working on the front. Oh shit. What you doing over here, home slice?
Hitting shit.
What's happening?
It's stuck.
You know why it's
a
stuck?
rusty 240.
Because it's a snap-on.
That's
They're not
it.
a Milwaukee.
Alright.
You want to use my Milwaukee?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Fucking weirdo.
Shut the fuck up. Let's go get the Milwaukee.
Oh, damn, that's a big boy.
That's a real impact gun.
Fuck you. $100. Never say no. What size? Which one is this? Okay, I'm gonna. Well, that could be another problem. Lefty. Yeah, it's lefty. You see my yard? Oh, okay. It's just spinning now. That helped it a lot. So,
You know there's no nut on there. You can just hit it off.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to.
You should probably use a metal
Grab
metal
me one.
hammer
I don't have
and put the
one.
nut
I
back
don't-
on there.
I don't have one. Can you just grab me one, please?
Oh yeah, let me go back to my toolbox because JT has no tools. So, let me come back over here. This one looks good.
No, Jordan's. Mike has a bag. Thanks. Okay.
I got the bag on me.
Okay. All right. Content. All right, we're just gonna put it right here. Right. right there. And then it was kind of heavy. It's got some weight to it.
It's a hammer.
Now,
Gotta get all the angles
why did I even put this on? I could have just hit that. Okay. Anyways,
so it doesn't fuck up your threads, asshole.
fuck the threads. Well, this one's.
I love watching you struggle. Well, I'll get back to you when he's done.
Jordan's drunk.
And now you're not recording like this. Way down first. Get that up right.
My grandmother watches my videos. That. Wow.
Wow.
BC Racing, okay.
Alright, let's put it in.
How long did I work to get these? Shit. And all the way, guys. Wait a minute. We don't have another jack. Wait, let me set it in the bottom too. What are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Put this first.
Yeah, I'm playing all the way so I can wiggle it in and have play.
Yeah, we're gonna go get the jack. Right here.
But the jack's holding up the front, so where are we gonna...
We gotta get some more jack stands, huh?
Go grab them then, making everything harder. Go leave a shirt. I'm not even talking. It's just like... moving shit around.
Let's do this side.
Dropped all the trash.
Yeah. Oh shit. I lost it.
Alright.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
What the fuck?
My new hammer right here.
That's mine.
Let's go.
What the fuck? What is it stuck on?
You gotta use your muscles. You didn't bring them today?
It's all like flexing. Alright, you can stop recording now, so.
Nope. I wanna let them watch you struggle. Pull it down, bro.
I am pulling it down.
Use your muscles.
Still at an angle for the other holes though.
Oh
So
my
the side
God.
that was hit.
Alright, we'll get back to you
They're
when
not
this is
supposed to know it was
done.
hit though. Ah, shit. Oh man, that was hard. Whew. Wow. Oh yeah, look, it's all bent up here too. This side slopes down and these are flat. It's probably from the incident.
What, this incident?
No, not that one, the other one.
This little... That's all supposed to be connected, JT. It's supposed to be like that.
That's backwards.
No.
This is the Nismo edition. It's a Nismo.
That is fucked.
Anyways.
Yeah, let's put this one on. Where is it?
My shit
Wow.
I know, wow.
Merry Christmas.
I'm a big boy now. Nice. It looks like only the strut really got there.
Oh yeah, baby. Where's my baby? Fuck out of here. Alright, do the rest.
You see that? Pause it. Look.
What?
Nigga. You gonna record this? Look at all the fucking space and shit around it. You know, maybe this is more than just a little damage. And that side did
That's fine. Yay! Let's see your fitment, JT. Hold this. Something like that.
Yeah,
Wow,
something
look
like
at that.
Wow. It's not even lowered either, so it's gonna be.
No, once they settle in, they'll be nice.
Yeah, but it'll probably be like another inch.
That thing got really fenders.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll sit nice. Do a wide body?
No.
Hell yeah,
No,
brother.
thank you.
JT, you happy?
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's the end of the video.
It's not on your face. It's kind of.
Oh,
There
shit.
you go.
I suck at this. Well, that's the end of the video. And hopefully next video, my motor will be back. So, yeah. See you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, motherfuckers.